Let's see what I got from Imperfect Foods. The thing I like about Imperfect Foods is you can change every single thing. You can have exclusions, like I never want to get mushrooms or sweet potatoes. I really dislike those foods. And then I can also go in and alter what they want to give me. But I picked everything that's in here today. So I got a giant grapefruit. How cool is that? I'll pop the prices on the screen. Fruit strips and bits. Those will be great for a picnic. I received fresh parsley. Did not expect that. I got organic nuts and honey granola. I absolutely love granola. I got some of these medley of tomatoes. Love tomatoes. Those will be great in my girls' lunches or for a picnic as well. More carrots. We eat a lot of carrots, whether to munch on, use in recipes. Love cauliflower as well. So I purposely ordered 4 avocados. I see those in here. I had a coupon code, so I did not spend as much as this would normally cost, but I'll tell you the normal price and what I spent. I got these Medjool Dates. I love to order from another service for dates, but since I was getting this order and I saw these, it sounded really yummy. I've had this in the past and it's absolutely delicious. Chocolate covered everything. Popcorn, toffee, pretzels, almond. Love getting that. The cinnamon bread just looked really good and I added it because I was hungry at the moment. So I'm excited to try this. Chocolate covered cherries. No explanation needed, just sounded delicious, and my cherry lover and I will love that. I got a block of Parmesan. Love Parmesan, we use it in a lot of our meals. I also got Phil's Finest Korean style barbecue. I will just stir fry this with vegetables and rice, but it looked really, it sounded really delicious, and having it pre-seasoned with the hot pepper paste, I don't know how to say that, gochujang. I apologize, but I thought it sounded really good, and I think my family will really enjoy a stir fry with this. And then finally, I got this Minestrone Soup. It is only 310 calories for all of this, and I, on occasion, do 500 calorie down days. So I'm going to eat this with fruit on one of my down days, and I very much look forward to eating it. Here is everything that I got. Honestly, shopping for Imperfect Foods is a lot of fun, and I don't do it every single week, but when I do, I have a lot of fun trying to pick the stuff that they have discounted. I find coupon codes, and I actually have a coupon code below that if you want to try it, you save money and I get a credit. I've actually worked with them in the past where I've created content for them to use on their own channels, but I really do enjoy using Imperfect Foods and getting fun stuff like this. You never know what they're going to offer. But Kel and I are about to go to a park, and I'm going to take some leftover hot dogs and sauerkraut that we have from grilling this past weekend, and I'm going to take some carrots, some of these tomatoes, and fruit bits, and we're going to go to the park. And I'm very much looking forward to packing this picnic lunch, so come along with us. Okay, so I want to share with you guys this mini oven that I was sent. It is actually pretty cool. So I did have to buy this insert. It's a Rubbermaid glass container, but I can not only reheat food in here, and it's an insulated lunchbox. I can actually cook food that's raw if you have enough time to do that. The options are endless. There are instructions for cooking, reheat tips, and what I'm using it for today is my son and I are packing a picnic lunch. You can see I have some of my Impossible Foods order here. We have the fruit strips. I have chopped up some carrots. We have cheese sticks, Cheez-Its, ketchup and mustard for our hot dogs, but these are leftover grilled hot dogs with some sauerkraut from this weekend. And I'm taking them warm to the park. However, I don't know when we're gonna eat lunch. The pavilion at the park, we are able to plug this in, keep it warm. I don't have to worry about using the grills at the park that other people would use. I don't know what condition they're left in, what's on there previously. Public spaces are not my favorite to cook in or to prepare food. So I can use this mini oven, take my food warm, and I will use a low setting. So to turn it on, you hit the M button for a few seconds, And you can see right now the clock is blinking. That means I'm changing how much time. 180 minutes is the most, and it goes in 30-minute increments. I can also change, so this is the heat setting. Heat setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the book gives you great indicators of what each level means. So you can see the bag has a handle. It also comes with a strap that I've put on. The interior is lined with the reflective material to keep it insulated and warm. The hot plate you can actually remove, so you can clean inside here really easily. And the cord just easily kind of snakes out through a zipper. You can move it, you know, if you have the zipper meet in the middle, you can have your cord hanging out. And then you can have metal or glass containers or even aluminum foil in here to help whether reheating, cooking items, and the settings within the manual will teach you how to do different stuff. Well, it's nice to have an option of bringing warm food and just being able to plug it in at a park pavilion, or even if you are at your work. It saves you from using stuff like public microwaves or the grills. You can just bring your own home-cooked meals, not have to feel like you're eating out. And even though I have a wall plug, you can actually get, they make the same lunchbox with a car plug, so you could plug it in your car if you're on a road trip. Okay, we moved to our table. We can see our hot dogs are nice and warm. We're gonna make lunch. These fruit, yummy. Good. If you want to see what I ordered from Imperfect Foods another time, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.